Welcome to Milak Math class. Before us is this question. It says make n the subject of relation in this equation, and we know that this equation is the formula for the sum of term in an arithmetic progression. Alright, to begin with, let us eliminate this fraction, and by that we multiply both sides by 2. Here you have 2 times s equals 2 times n over 2 square bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. So this will eliminate this. We are left with 2s equals n. Now square bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. Now let us solve what is here in the bracket. Here you have 2s equals to n, then 2a, now plus, here you have dn minus d, because d multiplied by this will give you this, then close bracket. Okay, now let us multiply through by n for us to have access to, have an open bracket. So here you have 2an, then plus dn raised to power 2 minus dn. Alright, okay, so this could also, let us take 2x to the right hand side of the equation. Here we have 0. Here you have 2an plus dn squared minus dn minus 2s. Because as 2s comes to the right hand side, it becomes what? Negative. Alright, let us now rearrange. By rearranging, we can see this is 2an plus dn raised to power 2 minus dn minus 2s equals what? 0. Okay, now here we can now say here that dn square plus 2an minus dn minus 2s equals what? 0. Okay, now this can also be written as dn square plus 2a minus d n minus 2s equals what? 0, because I have factored out n here. Alright, so if you look at this, it's just like a quadratic equation, which is anx plus bx plus c equals what? 0, which implies here that a equals d and x equals n, then our b equals 2a minus d in bracket, then our c is minus 2x. And since we are looking for n, which is, we have to make it a subject of relation now, which aligns with a quadratic equation. Now options that we can use to get the expression for x, which is n here, will either be factorization, completing the square method. Now, but looking at this, it is not factorizable, so we'll make use of the almighty formula. And by the almighty formula, we have that x equals to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2c. Okay, now, and our x in this case is n, so here we have that n equals to negative, our b here is 2a minus d, now plus or minus the square root of b, the square of b, that will be 2a minus d all raised to the power of 2, then minus 4 times our a is d, and our c is negative 2s, then all over 2a, which is what? 2d. Okay, Alright, now let us open. Say you have that n equals, opening this bracket, you have minus 2a plus d plus or minus, now the square root of, now if I were to open this bracket here, that will be 2a minus d, 2a minus d. Now this will be 4, this times this, you have 4a square, 2a times d, here we have minus 2ad. Now here you have minus 2ad plus d square. So here you have 4a square minus 4ad plus d square. Okay, so if you plug it in here, you have 4a square minus 4ad plus d square. Now plus, why I write plus here for this, because this minus times this minus will give us plus. So 4d, you have 4, sorry, 2 times 4, 2 times 4 give us 8. Okay, then you have ds. Okay, so you have ds all over 2d. Alright, so this is the expression for n. Okay, so that is the final answer. And if you love what I've just done, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all my videos in physics, mathematics and chemistry. Thank you and God bless you.